RYOBI 40-volt HP Brushless 21-inch snowblower assembly and start guide for model RY408100. Unpacking. Carefully remove the product and any accessories from the box. Inspect the tool carefully to make sure no breakage or damage occurred during shipping. Do not discard the packing material until you have carefully inspected and satisfactorily operated the tool. If any parts are damaged or missing, please call 1-800-525-2579 for assistance. Unfolding the handle assembly. Unlock the handle adjustment levers. Raise the upper handle. Avoid pinching or trapping any cables. Return the handle adjustment levers to the lock position to secure the handle in place. Adjust the handle adjustment knob until the handle adjustment levers will close securely in the lock position. Installing the chute deflector. Insert the chute into the snowblower and turn it to the unlock position. Press and twist the chute deflector until the release tab clicks into the locked position. Insert the Phillips head screw into the screw hole and tighten securely. Do not over-tighten. Installing and removing the battery pack. To install the battery pack, raise the battery cover. Align the raised ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the battery port and place the battery pack in the snowblower. Lower the battery cover. To remove the battery pack, raise the battery cover. Press and hold the battery latch button at the bottom of the battery pack. Remove the battery pack. Starting and stopping the snowblower. Install the battery pack. Press and hold the start button. Pull the bail toward the handle and release the start button when the snowblower starts. To stop the unit, release the bail. Adjusting the auger speed. To increase the auger speed, push the dial forward. To decrease the auger speed, pull the dial rearward. Adjusting the chute. Push the chute rotation lever forward to rotate the chute to the left. Pull the chute rotation lever back to rotate the chute to the right. Squeeze the deflector handle lever and move the chute deflector backward to increase the distance the snow will be thrown. Squeeze the deflector handle lever and move the chute deflector forward to decrease the distance the snow will be thrown. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.